Greetings everyone, this is Surf and Silas channel. Today we have the T-Rexes. Alright, so today we have the two Hammond collections right here. This is the original Hammond collection. This is the one that I painted the feet already. This used to be the Giganotosaurus feet right here from the Hammond collection. Giganotosaurus, there you go. So I already fixed that. Its original feet was that large foot. I already gave it to the Alpha Magnosaurus. So anyways, our last T-Rex review was this one right here, the Convention Crasher Tyrannosaurus Rex from the Lost World. This green T-Rex right here. The reason why I brought the T-Rexes out, because guess what? We finally have the Jurassic World Survival Muscle Madness Tyrannosaurus. Yeah. So let's check the features of this bad boy right here. We'll check the box first at the back. So it has the Giga right there, the new mutated Giganotosaurus. It says the muscles grow. Okay, so it has spikes now. This is like a T-Rex with spikes or quills. So it has two buttons on the back. We'll check. So the first button is like the spikes right here. You can see that. No sound. The second button is... oh, there you go. The muscle madness. No wonder. You can see the muscle coming. Even at this rib cage. And the sound. Alright, so let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Is it out? Oh no. There's a thing on its foot. Yeah, so we're gonna loosen it up. Okay, now that it's loose, we had it out. We'll check it out. The color. It is like a dark gray with a little teal right there. Like a light blue teal. A white underbelly, and the arms are white.
Kind of remind me of Godzilla.
The tail part's also white. There's the DNA scan. And there's the face. It looks... has a yellow eye. Oh my gosh, the tongue is actually like a dark brown now. It doesn't look pink anymore. Same as the upper jaw, the upper gums. They changed the color. It's quite darker now. So this is like a mutated T-Rex now because it has spikes and it is in the survival line. Now we push that button again. See the muscles grow. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? That's crazy. Oh geez, over here as well. The neck part has the muscles growing. The neck.
The neck?
Yeah. See?
See here? I already saw that.
That's crazy.
Yeah, how it like silk something.
So it's like a real feel too. It's also rubber when you touch it here. You can see the lining right here. That's where the muscles grow. Boom. What? The face actually kind of bothers me. It looks so comical. It doesn't look serious.
It don't bother me so much.
Look at that. It looks kind of funny.
No, it looks like Godzilla.
Yeah.
It kind of remind me of that.
Okay. So the head is all still hard as plastic. Plastic with rubber right here. But this is pretty cool though. The muscle growing. Muscle. No wonder it's called muscle madness. See? Look at that. The back as well goes big. Look at that. See? Whoa. So that's compared to the newer, excuse me, the older. Oh wow, so the Hammond collection are still bigger. The original Hammond collection is still bigger. You can tell. How about the green one?
Yeah, you just make it.
We're gonna do a Convention Crasher. I'm sure it's also bigger. Yeah, definitely bigger. So the original T-Rexes are still bigger. But this is like the first T-Rex of the survival line. So there you have it. As you guys can notice, the feet's also kind of small compared to the Hammond collection. We'll try this one. Look at that. Oops.
You gotta look like remind me
See?
like Godzilla baby T-Rex.
So yeah. So there you have it for today. Our T-Rex video for the survival line. Okay. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye for now. Mwah.
I love you.